Hello kids, today we will learn a new chapter for class 4 and the title of the chapter is Nasruddin's Aims. You have heard so many stories of Nasruddin's Shahs, okay, and here we will learn one of the story of Nasruddin Shah. Okay, so here first I will read the chapter and then I will explain by the page. One day Nasruddin was chatting with his friend. He began to boast, "No one can match my skill in archery. I string the bow, take aim, and shoot the arrow. Whose? The arrow is sure to hit right on target." Hearing this, one of his friends immediately brought a bow and some arrows. Giving them to Nasruddin, he said, "Here, Nasruddin, take this bow and arrows." Then, pointing towards a target, he said, "Aim at that target and shoot an arrow." So, here this is a Nasruddin, you can see here. Okay, and Nasruddin boasted in front of his friend that he is excellent in archery, okay, and he can hit the aim in the first attempt. Okay, he just boasted in front of his friend that he was excellent in archery. So one of his friend immediately gave him one bow and arrow. You can see that this bow and arrow, and give this bow and arrow to Nasruddin, and just he said, "Whatever you said, Nasruddin, prove it." Okay, and we will see what happened in the next page. Nasruddin held the bow in his hand, strung it, aimed at the target, and shot an arrow whose the arrow didn't hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. Ha ha ha! His friends started laughing. They said, "Hey Nasruddin, is this your best aim?" "Oh no, not at all," said Nasruddin, defending himself. "This wasn't my aim. It was Azad's aim. I just showed you how Azad shoots an arrow." Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Once again he strung the bow, aimed at the target, and shot the arrow. This time the arrow fell a little further from where it had fallen before. Now here what happened, that Nasruddin just tried to hit the target, but he was unable to hit the target because he is not excellent in the archery in a reality. Okay, he just boosted and wants to impress his fan. That is why he just boosted that he was excellent in archery. Okay, but he is not actually excellent in the archery, so he just failed in first attempt. Okay, and he just tried to it when everyone laughing at Nasruddin just defending himself by saying this wasn't his aim. Okay, and he said that it was Azad's aim. Okay, so this is how he just want to protect defending himself, protecting himself, because everyone laughing at him. Why everyone laughing at him? Because he was unable to hit the target. Now let's see on the next page what happened when he was unable to hit the target at the second time. So here you can see but it certainly didn't hit the target. Okay, second time it is his arrow didn't hit the target. They asked Nasruddin, "And this must be how you shoot an arrow?" "Of course not," argued Nasruddin. "Even this aim was not mine, it was the chief guard's aim. Now somebody remarked, well, now who is the next on the list? Hearing this, all the friends burst out laughing. Nasruddin didn't say a word. He quietly picked up one more arrow. So in this paragraph, Nasruddin, he was unable to hit the target second time. He was failed in his second attempt. Okay, and once again he said that he is not target. It is the target of the chief guard. Okay, so once again he just blamed to the other one. Okay, he just want to protect himself or defending himself, and when everyone hear that this is the chief guard's aim, so one of his friend and somebody remarked and said, who is next on the list? Okay, so here everyone is laughing at him. Okay, everyone are laughing at him. Okay, and Nasruddin feel shy, but though he take the bow and arrow once again and tried to shoot the target. Okay, let's see what happened. And this time Nasruddin was really lucky. The arrow hit right on the target. Everybody stared at Nasruddin, their mouth agape in amazement. Before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin said triumphantly, "Did you see that? It was my aim." So what happened? Luckily, the third time, unfortunately or luckily, Nasruddin was really lucky that the arrow hit the right on the target. Okay, in his third time he got success to hit the target. So everybody just stared at the Nasruddin. Okay, and they just amazed to see that in the third attempt Nasruddin got success.